Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F8 Ultra and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the section Fingerprints, Face Data and Screen Lock. Then let's tap on Fingerprint Unlock. And if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step, so the pattern, PIN or password. But if you do not have one, your device will ask you to add it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern, for example. So let me draw it. If you do not have one, just add it. And here we've got the information, what we have to do. So as you can see in this device, the sensor is located under the screen, so just tap on record. Here we've got the information about the screen protector, so be aware, because if you're using one, it is highly recommended to add the fingerprint after placing the screen protector rather than before, because it might interfere and it might bias the recognition. So tap on got it, and here we've got the scanner, so let me put my finger on it, and now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition. And we've got it, so that's quite easy in this device. Let's tap on done, and this is the fingerprint section. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can also add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for, and here we've got the fingerprint recognition. So if you've got more than one fingerprint, so here we can change the style, so the animation. Here we've got some minimalistic ones, and here some neons. So for example, this butterfly, those I believe you need to download them. So just choose, or maybe this one, it's quite cute. So just choose the one which you like the most, and here you can decide whether you'd like to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. It's completely up to you whether you want to use it or not. So let me lock the device and check if it is working. So here we've got the sensor. Let me put my finger on it, and as you can see, the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.